Hi everyone, and welcome to Stamping with Ian. Another video for you. Bit of a mixture this one. I've got a bit of an unboxing video, a possible new camera solution, and we're going to make a card as well. So first of all, the unboxing, shall we? Tiny this. I kind of did this order just to make sure that I remain silver. So basically I've got a couple of topper lids for the stamping storage, because I've changed my colour storage around a bit now, and I got two lots of 5 together in like a big tower, but I've split them into 2 5s now, so that's for those. I got some of our new gilded gems, very pretty, and a couple of packs of snowflake sequins. Now, I bought the suite, and then my wife bought the snow domes and the still scenes with the dies. Then I thought, well, really we need more snowflakes. You can never have enough snowflakes, right? Okay, am I right? If I can get the down thing open. And there we have sparkly snowflakes. Those gorgeous, aren't they? So put those away. So that's the unboxing done. As I said, not a lot. I normally use my iPhone for recording, but then I had a thought. I've got a GoPro on the bike. I'm not out on the bike every day at the moment, so why don't I use it to film? So I've got my GoPro here. This is a Hero 7 Black. Okay, so I've got that, and a little bit of research has led me to purchase a HDMI cable, which is micro at one end for the camera, and then a ordinary size end at the other, which plugs into this HD video capture. So the HDMI goes into there, that goes into the back of my Mac, and then I can use the open broadcasting software to record the Mac camera can record my head while I'm talking to you, while the GoPro records my workspace. So exciting times. I should be testing that out over the next few days and seeing what happens, if anything. Now then, we're using this today, the Tasteful Touches set. It does come with dies as well. It's a bundle, so you save 10% when you buy the two together. And beautiful stamps, these, gorgeous. The dies don't match, but I don't think that's the idea. These are label dies, so can be used for anything really. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. The sleep fairy's been avoiding me the past couple of nights, so touch of insomnia. So we're using that. I'm using 3 stamps. I'm using the leaves, the flower, and Good Things in Life Are Better With You. Such a gorgeous sentiment that is, isn't it? These are the ones I've made earlier. These are my prototypes. So, and I have to thank Scrimping Mommy, Amanda Charlesworth, for the inspiration for this. Hers look nicer than mine because she's fussy cut her flower. I don't do fussy cutting, as most of you know. And I was going to use my scan and cut, and maybe I should have done, but that's for another time. This is how they are at the moment. I've used grey granite. No, I haven't. I've used smoky slate and shaded spruce. This is a bit of a technique video as well, because you'll notice I've stamped off the ones for the background, but I've used the full colour for the full grey for the propped up image. So we've got some bits already sorted. We have our card base here, 8 1/4, 5 7/8, scored and folded at 4 1/8. Give it a good score, good burnish. Move it that way. A couple of bits of Whisper White, one's for the outside and one's for the inside. This is going to be the inside one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get our shaded spruce and we will put a couple of the leaves on. I haven't cleaned the stamps since the last time I used them, which is literally like 10 minutes ago. So, you know, don't worry. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Turn it around. Let the ink soak into the cardstock. Give it a wave. Okay, close up your ink pads. These are like magnets, and I'm not joking. Fingers, arms, elbows, cardstock, you name it, it will end up in an ink pad if you leave it open. Anyway, right, we've got some Stampin' Seal here. Love this stuff. Also comes in a plus version for those heavier projects, but this one will be fine for, oops, just like cards such as this. So we're going to put that inside, and we will attempt to get it level. Hey, yeah, that's not bad, is it? Chuffed at that. Put that away. Don't need this for the minute, that can go away. Right, I'm going to stamp my background. This is Smoky Slate. And so we're going to be stamping off as well. What I'm going to do first though, I want one roughly in the middle of the full flower. So we'll have that there. Okay, beautiful. Then I'm just going to stamp around. Oh, see, I didn't stamp off, did I? Naughty. Now back to our shaded spruce for the leaves. You noticed a bit of a bodge up there, but not to worry because I'm going to cover it with this. Just like that. And another one, kind of like that. Love, love, love. Close your ink pad. Now we need a full strength one. I should have done this before, shouldn't I? So, a full strength one, just away from the sides. Let the ink soak into the card. Beautiful, love it. Give it a waft. I'm using this die from the set of dies. Just got my die cutting machine at the side of me here. And there we have our flower, the with a lovely little edge. I'm not sure if you can see that. There you go. Get a couple of dimensionals on the back of it. You don't need more than a couple. You know, it's not really heavy card, this. Take off the backings, which I'm going to use my pokey tool for this because I've got no nails at the minute. That's that done. And then place this over the other one like that, kind of level. Like that, yeah. Do you like that? I like that. Yay! Now then, I'm wondering. Yes, I am. I didn't do this on the other two, but I will be doing Wink of Stella. Ideas that suddenly come to you whilst you're creating. Yes, that looks sparkly all over. Just missed a bit there. Little tip for you. We don't have any shaded spruce gems, but I've got my Stampin' blend marker here. And hey presto, 1, 2, 3 shaded spruce pearls, just like that, as Tommy Cooper would say. He's an old English comedian. Wonderful man, had affairs and everything. So just give this a bit of a waft. Oh, hey, I've got a rogue pearl there. It's not sticking anywhere. Go back there where you belong. Right, give it a waft. One there. The dry pretty much straight away. One over there. And one down there. Beautiful. Of course, what I have done, of course, is I've forgotten the sentiment. but it will still fit in there. So put that level. Get my shaded spruce out again. Just kiss your stamp, and then, alright, you're going to see my head in now, I'm afraid. And then gently press. Oh, beautiful. Love, love, love. So that's that bit done. So all we've got to do now is attach this. For this I have my trusty liquid glue. I don't trust myself with stamping seal. Pull out the front of a card. There's no wiggle room, and I definitely need the wiggle room. So I'll put that on, nice and level. Oh god, that's a first. And there we have it. So there's the one we've just made with Wink of Stella. These are the other two, which I'm going to add Wink of Stella to, and I'll leave my pen there to remind me. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and you'll always get a notification then when I'm about to do a premiere, about half an hour before. I always do the premieres on Wednesdays and Fridays at 8 PM UK time, so I can chat along with you. You'll also find a video from me on the 1st of the month at 6 PM as part of the Stamp Around UK video hub. So bye for now, whatever you're doing, have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye!